So I'm gonna show you step by step how you can place location and hashtags on your Instagram stories so you can get more views. And I'm making this video because I have a subscriber that asked me a few times how to do that. So this is the subscriber, and I'm gonna answer her question. She watched another video that I made in the past, and I was just showing the results or of implementing hashtags and location on Instagram stories so you can get more views, but I didn't really show how to place them on your Instagram stories. So this is what I'm doing right now. So we're gonna go to Instagram, and then we're gonna click on stop, and then we're gonna choose one of many that I have. All these are 15-second videos, and they're like 3 months old or 4 months old, and I'm still able to use them. If you want me to make a video and show how you can do this, so you save time and you can like reuse your Instagram stories or reuse videos for Instagram stories, just leave a comment asking how I do it, and I'll make a video in the future about this. And just keep in mind that I'm not talking about images, I'm not talking about screenshots, and I'm not talking about that stuff. This is like some more like serious stuff, because as you can see, this Instagram stories, they take time to make them, and I don't really want to get rid of them. I want to keep them and reuse them, because for me they look very cool and I don't want to lose them, and this is one way to save a lot of time, and because all of these are videos and images, that's so easy to reuse them. You just gotta take a screenshot and period, that's it. But if we're talking about video, that's another story. So this is what I do. Like, all these videos are more than a month old, and as you might know, you're only allowed to use 24-hour images or videos. And if you make if you made a video, or you have a picture that is more than 24 hours old, you're not gonna be able to use it. And as you can see right here, these Instagram stories are more than a month old, and I can still use them. So yeah, so I'm just gonna pick right now Instagram story, which is a portrait video or a vertical video. And once I have that video, I'm just gonna show you how you can place hashtags. So I'm gonna do wolf, of course, and you can use 10, 15, 20, 30, and yeah. So I'm gonna tap on done. This is just an example. Just gonna pinch the text and make it smaller and smaller and smaller, and the text is white, as you can see right here. So I'm just gonna place it on top of the letters, and they're also white, so right now you cannot see it. So this is one way to place hashtags, and I'm gonna show you another one. So I'm just gonna do a hashtag snow, and then of course you don't want to have like your hashtags like big, because they don't look good. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna make it smaller, and I'm just gonna place it on one side. That's it. This is how you can, these are the two ways that you can use hashtags so you can get more views. And the second method is up here, location. So we're gonna tap on location, and I'm gonna pick Times Square because there's of course a lot of people there, and if you want to get more views you gotta pick a location where there's a lot of people, of course. So I'm just gonna tap it again so it doesn't pop up as much, and then I'm just gonna put it a little bit more here on the bottom. That looks good for me. So these are the two extra ways that you can get more views besides your following. Here you have location, hashtags, plus your followers, and of course you're gonna get more views. If you want to see the results of these tools of if you want to see the results of using hashtags and location, I'm gonna leave a link for another video in the description so you can take a look. So this is it. If you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.